Welcome to my channel. I'm Gary Wiriawan and today is another photography quick chat video. I'm currently in a vacation here in Bandungan, Central Java, Indonesia, and today is a continuation of a video that I made a few days ago or maybe a few weeks ago about how to become interested in photography again if you are bored with photography. So as I said on that video, you can check it out up here. As I said on that video, I was a little bit burnt off with photography, burnt out, and I don't feel like taking pictures for like a few days or a few weeks. But now I'm here in a vacation and I'm bringing my cameras and I'm having fun with photography again. So I just want to prove a point that a little bit of change from your routine can really help to improve the enjoyment of photography again. This is like a totally different environment, totally different sceneries from my hometown, and I got plenty of nice pictures here, and that really inculcates my love of photography again. So yeah, that's just to prove a little bit of a point that I made on that video. So in that video that I mentioned, I shared 4 points about how to make photography fun again if you're feeling like you're in a rut. So the first point is to take a break, second point is to spice things up, and then to take pressure off and also be inspired. By going on a vacation like this, I think I can cross off all the 4 points on that video. I'm taking a break right now, that's the first point, and yeah, I'm taking a break with my wife, with my friends, and I really enjoy it. It's not like I'm in my home, it's a very different kind of routines. And that leads into the second point, to spice things up. This is a completely different location from what I'm really used to. So yeah, a break from the routine, that's point number 2. And then take pressure off. I'm also taking a pressure off. I'm not really doing this for like a client or like for a professional kind of stuff. I'm just having fun with photography, doing a really casual photo taking sessions. And then also the last point, be inspired. I'm very inspired with the scenery, with how beautiful this location is. And all of those things really help me to enjoy photography again after feeling bored with photography. So yeah, if you're in a rut, you're not feeling like you're taking any pictures, I suggest you to do the same. Try to have a little bit of a vacation. Just stay for 1 night or 2 nights, go to a nearby town, find a nice change of environment, try to see something new, and hopefully you'll be inspired to take more pictures again. In terms of photography gear that I brought in this location, I'm keeping it very simple. This is a little bit of also sharing about my travel photography gear. I made a full video explaining about all of my cameras and lenses that I brought on this trip. You can check out this video right here. But basically my main camera is a Panasonic Lumix G85 together with the Panasonic Lumix 14:1 40mm super zoom lens. I think this is a great combination for travel. It's lightweight, but you get to cover a lot of different kinds of focal lengths with just one single lens, and that's really nice because sometimes when the moment happens, you don't want to change lenses, and by being able to have something that can cover everything is really nice. Also brought some other lenses. I brought the wide angle lens, the Labuan 7.5mm f2 for the just in case kind of I want to try to capture some wide angle sceneries. And then I also brought with me the Panasonic Lumix 20mm f1.7 for a little bit of portraits of my wife and maybe some of my friends as well. And yeah, those are all basically my primary kit. So in this trip, as I mentioned on my gear video, I also brought the Leica M8.2, this giant camera right here. Again, this is not the perfect travel camera. The Panasonic Lumix GX850 with the super zoom lens is a much better choice than this guy right here. However, this also goes into the point about how to make photography fun again video of spicing things up. I'm bringing this not as my primary travel camera. This is just like for photographing my wife and trying to capture some environmental portraits, and I'm having quite a lot of fun with this camera, and that really helps to keep me stay fun and keep me enjoying all the photography process as well with this camera. It's a nice break from the routine from the GX850, and I think this camera really helps, not in terms of the results, the image quality, but just the overall process of using a rangefinder keeps me invigorated when I'm taking pictures during this little vacation. Anyway, that's all that I want to share today. So if you are also feeling bored with photography, hopefully you can find one day or maybe 2 days to go somewhere nice and try to have a little bit of a vacation, get a little bit of a break, and just try to have fun with photography again. Find a nice scenery that you haven't explored before, or maybe something that you have explored before, but try to capture it from different vantage points, things like that. Try to stay creative, and I think you'll be able to keep having fun with photography. So that is all for today's video. I hope that this has been inspiring and useful. And please comment down below, what do you do if you are bored with photography? Also, don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video, subscribing to my channel down below. And if you want to support my channel even further, consider using the affiliate links on the description, or use the super thanks button to make a small donation to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.